Hi, my name is Danielle. I first injured my back in 2015 in a motor vehicle accident. I had some herniations in my disc, particularly in L5. And after about a year of physical therapy, I was okay. I was back to normal. I was able to go to the gym, live my normal life. And then I started training for the New York City half marathon earlier this year, back in January, and I was okay for a little bit. And on one of my longer runs, I started feeling pain down my left leg. And I kind of ignored it for a little bit, and I pushed through the pain, and eventually the pain became too much that I knew I needed some medical intervention. I went and saw a chiropractor and an acupuncturist around the same time. I also did some pain management and had 3 cortisone shots. And after about 2.5 months of conservative treatment, my acupuncturist, the chiropractor, and the pain management doctor all referred me to seek a surgical approach, and my chiropractor was the one that recommended Dr. Kakoulides to me. I was prepped for surgery that Friday, and Dr. Kakoulides' team came in and assured me that everything was going to go smoothly. They walked me through the procedure. Dr. Kakoulides actually told me as they were wheeling me into surgery that I was not going to be in any more pain. As soon as I woke up, the pain would be gone. And I didn't believe him. I turned around to the other people in the room and I was like, "You heard him, right?" And everybody laughed. My surgery was actually May 5th, so for Cinco de Mayo I had promised margaritas to everybody too if the surgery went well. I woke up in recovery about 45 minutes after the procedure. I woke up in recovery, and the first thing I did was move around my left leg because that's where the pain was radiating from, and the pain was gone. And I was so excited that the pain was gone that I said to the nurses in the recovery unit that I wanted to get up and walk, and they all kind of chuckled and they're like, "You have to wait, you just woke up from spine surgery." And I waited about an hour, and they brought me up to my room, and I got up from the bed, and the nurse tried to help me, and I kind of pushed her away, and I said, "No, I want to do this on my own." And to my shock and my relief, I was not in pain anymore. I was able to walk around the room. I started walking around the wing outside of my hospital room. And they had said to me I could go home that day, but I chose to stay another night just in case, and I really didn't need to. I could have gone home that night. I went home the next morning, which was a Saturday. I went home to my family, and within a week and a half or so, I was back at work, and I'm a teacher. I'm on my feet most of the day. I was able to get back to most of my routine activities with some, modifications. But it's been about 3 months. I feel fantastic. I'm back in the gym. I'm actually planning on doing a 5K next weekend. And I cannot recommend Dr. Kakoulides and his team enough. He really gave me my life back, and I'm so thankful to have found him and to have access to him and to be able to say that he is a fantastic surgeon, and I am so glad I found him.